Today we're diving into the world of API development with two leading tools, Postman and Swagger. Postman is a comprehensive API testing and development platform, while Swagger, now known as OpenAPI, focuses on creating API specifications. We'll explore 5 key variables today: features, user experience, pricing structure, pros and cons, and possible alternatives. First off, let's take a look at the features of these programs. Postman features include user-friendly interface. Postman boasts an intuitive interface for crafting, testing, and managing APIs. Collaboration tools. Postman's collaboration features facilitate teamwork with shared workspaces. Automated testing. Postman allows automated testing, streamlining the testing process. API monitoring. Real-time monitoring ensures API performance remains optimal. Swagger features include OpenAPI specification. Swagger emphasizes API through the OpenAPI specification. Code generation. Swagger supports auto-generation client libraries in various languages. Interactive documentation. Swagger provides interactive and user-friendly API documentation. Testing and mocking. While Swagger does support testing, it may not be as robust as Postman. Comparing the pricing structures, Postman offers a free plan with limited features, as well as 3 paid plans ranging from $8 to $18 per user per month. On the other hand, Swagger's pricing depends on the specific tools within the API ecosystem that you're looking for, with some components being open source and others requiring a subscription. Postman's user experience excels in simplicity and robust testing capabilities, offering a straightforward environment for developers. Swagger, with a focus on API design, may be considered less user-friendly for those primarily seeking testing functionalities. Postman excels in API testing, monitoring, and collaboration. It offers an intuitive interface, robust testing features, collaboration tools, and automated testing capabilities. On the other hand, Swagger, now known as OpenAPI, primarily focuses on API design, documentation, and testing, but its testing capabilities might not match Postman's robustness. Numerous alternatives offer robust features for API development and testing. Some noteworthy options include Catalan, SoapUI, Insomnia, JMeter, and Test Sigma, each catering to specific needs and preferences in API testing and documentation. It's advisable to explore these alternatives to find the one that best aligns with your specific requirements and workflow. When choosing between them, developers should consider their priorities, leaning towards Postman for comprehensive testing and collaboration, and Swagger for API design and documentation. Check out the links in the description to explore these apps further. Don't forget to subscribe for more easy internet tips and explore our other videos. Thank you for watching.